Welcome back to Houston Life. All right, if you are from Houston like I am, I know that you have traveled to Space Center Houston for many of field trips, but if not, you definitely have to put it on your bucket list because, Keisha, it's out of this world.
I know. Happy spring break, everybody, and welcome to the Moon to Mars Festival.
This is so amazing. 5th year for the festival, right?
Year, yes.
Okay.
And so what I like to say about the Moon to Mars Festival, this is where space exploration meets celebration. So we're doing all the great things that we do at Space Center Houston every day, but in a fun, really festival-like atmosphere.
I think everything that you do every day is fun because raise your hand if you wanted to be an astronaut when you were young.
That's right, an astronaut or an engineer or any of the great people working over at Johnson Space Center that make our space program work.
It's so fun. You guys have such great programs here. Not only fun, but educational.
Absolutely.
And you've weaved that throughout this festival. So tell us where we are right now.
Yeah, that's right. At the heart of what we do here at Space Center Houston, we're a science learning destination, right? And our learning program, so we're in our STEM zone right now. And you're going to get a little bit of a taste of the science, the hands-on science that we do every day in our learning program.
So all of these programs kind of, the astronauts and the engineers, they all train very differently, but similarly.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're the official visitor center for NASA Johnson Space Center. And when you come to the Moon to Mars Festival or you come to Space Center Houston any day, that's the way that the public can go over to that working facility, see what they're doing over there, see what they're working on, see the mission control for the International Space Station and rocket
mission
park.
control!
Yes.
And this is so worldly because people from all over the world come here to check this out.
Absolutely, and particularly during spring break.
Yeah.
And so that's why we host the Moon to Mars Festival during spring break, because for folks who are staying in town, not traveling, looking for a special experience when their family and friends come to visit, that you've got the Moon to Mars Festival here. So it's one of our largest events of the year.
I love it. And you're going to top it off with some pretty good music as well.
Exactly. So it wouldn't be a festival without some entertainment and fun. So Friday night we have the Wallflowers performing, and then Saturday night Space Center Houston turns into an iconic venue to welcome 311.
You're speaking my language, Keisha. I mean, I grew up with those bands. It's going to be so fun.
Of our generation. Absolutely. And so what I say is that you can spend the day here at Space Center Houston enjoying the festival and then stay for a night. We've got some really attractive ticket packages and bundles. So $85. Come to Space Center. That includes your admission, and then that's also your concert ticket in the evening.
It's
so
a full day.
Value. It's a full day. Make a spring break day out of it with the family.
I'm going to start by, we're going to walk over here. We're in the STEM area. You said that I can send my name to space?
Send your name to space, but you can also create your own mission patch. So your mission patches are a really important part. You see them on the astronaut.
But like on my jacket?
Yeah, so we're going to make your own mission patch. You get to be so creative. You can see one of our guests doing it already. She's like recreating the NASA meatball here. And then you've got a new patch for your jacket, but it's all customized to what you want to do. So really getting creative. And that's what I love about our STEM learning programs here at Space Center Houston, is it really takes our participants kind of curiosity and turns it into that science confidence so that they're ready for STEM careers or whatever they want to do in their life. Because
curiosity and creativity.
Teamwork and collaboration. So that's what we've got going on over here.
What is happening over here?
So this is one of our robotics, obviously, is a big piece of what happens in space exploration. And so our guests here are kind of getting a little taste of what it would be like to operate a lunar rover. Can they go and pick it up? Can they bring it back? And so you can see that they're learning that dexterity, learning what it'd be like, but also to kind of build what these rovers are going to look like on the lunar
I have to point out, though, Keisha, it's kind of crazy looking at their remotes. It looks like a game console piece.
A bit of gaming, absolutely. But you're going to see that, again, it requires collaboration and teamwork, and those are the skills that we want our youth to have today. But we're all doing it in this fun festival atmosphere at Moon to Mars.
Oh my God, this is so fun. Moon to Mars Festival happening through Saturday. The concerts are the Wallflowers on Friday, 311 on Saturday. That's kind of the culmination.
Yes, absolutely. And all your tickets are there at spacecenter.org. And I don't know, Lauren, if you're like me, I like to save money. So a little bit. I'm a value shopper, so you get a little bit of a discount if you buy your tickets online.
Okay, we'll do it. spacecenter.org, or if you're okay with it, I'm going to put a link up at houstonlife.tv as well. I got some more patches to make. I got some gaming / teamwork.
Let's see how you do. Are you ready to operate that lunar rover?
So, maybe not, but we're going to try.
We're going to try.
Keisha, thank you.
Thank you.
Moon to Mars Festival happening this weekend again. All the info is up. houstonlife.tv. Houston Life will be right back. So fun.
Yeah.
Oh.